And I'm going to tidy up around it, and then we're going to do the decorating. Okay. Alright. This is clean. I'm just doing it because I want it to look good. It's coming along. As you know, I like my cakes to be a little artistic and to be beautiful, so I don't. That's why you never see any two of my cakes the same. And after you frost it, you should really put it in the refrigerator for 10 minutes to let the frosting set. In our case, that's going to be a challenge. I have 2 cake tins, and I'll just divide it up after. But let me show you that. All right, now we're going to get to what this is really all about. Are you ready for this? I'm going to show you how you can even use this as a wedding cake. I purchased what's called edible flowers. It's edible from Amazon. All right. Now, if you do fondant, you're not going to have really anything to stick to. So, but buttercream, you don't have to do anything special. All right. So we're going to put all these flowers on the cake. Now, when you go to purchase the flowers, because these are edible and they're made of fondant, you don't want to keep them more than 3 months. So wait till you're about ready to use them. Otherwise, you're going to eat really old frosting. Okay, so let's decide how we're going to eat them. And you can even bend them a little. So like this. So I don't be totally selfish. I'm going to share and let my daughter have some fun seeing how she would put the flowers on them. See? They'll stick just like that. And let her decorate them to make them look pretty. And share. My son can do some too if he likes, but he's busy with other things. So we're going to run a flow of flowers down the side. And so that way I didn't do it all because I made the cake and I cut it together and I figured out the shape and did all the ingredients.
She cheated.
I put a lot of work into this already, so I thought, well, why not let my daughter have some fun doing it too and making the cake beautiful. And you only buy enough flowers what you're going to put on the cake. So I bought that amount of flowers to put on our cake. And you see, to get flowers made, like, and all that, you're going to spend a fortune for a cake like this. What would you think, Doris? $200, $300?
About $400. $400 if you're lucky.
Yeah. And you won't have any input in it. They'll just put the flowers on where they want to. And we're literally making a fancy flower cake in your own home. So if you're having a birthday party for a girl who likes flowers, or a wedding or an anniversary, you can do it yourself if you want to take the time and love. And you can also get butterflies too, and you can get little animals and all that kind. And I got these flowers off Amazon. But you need to be really careful because flowers can be toxic. So you want to make sure when you order them that they're edible and find out what they're made of. These are made of fondant and they're edible. So it's perfectly okay. And we're going to be eating a lot of cake.
Yep.
But I'm just sharing with you, this is money saving tips, is that you can make a beautiful wedding anniversary party
Would
cake.
you like to join me in putting flowers?
Well, that's a little more foot up.
Oh.
For a very little bit of money. It cost me the price of three boxes of chocolate or your favorite flavor, and we only actually needed 2 frostings, the cost of a dowel, and the cost of the flowers. So I think I have maybe invested in this. I can't remember what I paid for the flowers on Amazon, to tell you the truth. I think I had maybe $20 invested in this cake, and the cheapest cake at Publix was what? $100?
The cheapest wedding cake, when we priced it when David and I got married, it was $250.
$250, and I've only got about $20 invested in this.
That was just a regular wedding
That's
cake.
what she said, with no flowers.
Exactly.
And we're literally putting flowers on this cake. So a cake like this could cost you up and above maybe $700 or $800. You don't have to spend a lot if you're willing to do the work. And what do you think?
I think it's beautiful.
Yep.
What do you think, David?
Yeah,
You like it?
that's good. The thing is that if you're going to do something or make it yourself, then it gives it a bit of extra,
Meaning.
Love.
bit of extra touch, It makes it unique.
Okay, and there it is. And I didn't want to be selfish and do the whole thing myself, because the idea of doing mother-daughter things together or mother-son things together, and there it is. And Doris, thank you for putting the flowers
Oh,
on.
you're welcome.
And there it is. So here it is. Now I'm going to turn it around so you can see all sides. And there. And I spent about $20 on this cake instead of about $600. So I'm showing you how to do it. This is good for a wedding or for a party or for an anniversary, or if you're having something at church and you want to bring in something special, trust me, this would wow them. Okay, so there it is. Thank you for watching Sea Sparkles Corner. Hugs and kisses from my family to yours. This is our wedding party anniversary cake on a budget. Love y'all. You mean everything to us. Feel free to share. Feel free to subscribe. We appreciate all of our viewers and our patron and all of our subscribers. Love you. Bye, everybody.
Okay, how do I stop it?
Well.